Porcelain paver breakage can happen unexpectedly. When it does, minimizing further damage and preventing injuries is essential. Watch as this person walks across a broken porcelain paver in a raised flooring application. Despite the breakage, the paver flexes, but remains intact, protecting the waterproof membrane and ensuring safety. This breakage was caused by a ball drop test, but it could have been an ordinary object or heavy pointed object. HDG's Paver Defense Solutions offer peace of mind for your raised porcelain flooring. HDG Building Materials provides several paver defense solutions to ensure safe raised flooring installations: Flex, Impact, and Fortify. Contact us today to discuss the right paver defense solution for your needs.